and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be baking Indian rice pudding. First thing I'm going to do is take my tins of rice pudding and pour them into my bowl. In my grinder, I am going to blend up some cardamom pods. This is what you want them to come out like, a fine dust. I'm now going to add all of my ingredients into my bowl. Grounded almonds, my cardamom pods, 2 tablespoons of sultanas, and give it a mix. I'm now going to add 10 strands of saffron. If you don't have saffron, you can use turmeric. And now leave for an hour. Rice pudding has sat to one side for an hour. I am now going to give it a mix. You can enjoy your rice pudding cold or warm. Before you serve, you sprinkle a little bit of grounded nutmeg on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.